Owens Corning is meeting the needs of today without compromising the future. That's what being a sustainable enterprise is all about. This principle guides how we innovate. It informs how we grow. It directs investment in our people. It inspires our team to build a company that uncovers tomorrow's possibilities. When your products make a material difference, and the people on your team possess the breadth of knowledge only possible when you're a global market leader, making the world a better place is not a tagline. It's a responsibility and our purpose. Roofing, insulation, composites. Our products make spaces safer and more comfortable. They make the things people use every day stronger, lighter, and more durable. Protecting homes, creating buildings that are more energy efficient, and addressing the needs of tomorrow. Always listening and responding to our customers' ambitions. We are curious, and that curiosity drives us to develop solutions that have measurable impact, like lower cost wind energy and bridges that don't corrode, built to stand the test of time. Our commitment to people starts with helping our colleagues grow and to express their unique talents. But our commitment to people extends beyond the walls of our company. Our employees live safely at work and at home. They make our communities better places to live, now and for future generations. We're helping them to give back all around the world by providing support for safe housing, health, and education for those in need. The roofs we provide for U.S. military veterans, or building a school for deaf children in Mexico. Serving in many ways in areas where we live and work. Global in scope and human in scale. We have the people and products that make the world a better place. At Owens Corning.